Before you scroll away, I'd take a deep breath and listen carefully, because maybe, just maybe, this message is the answer to the prayer you cried about last night. You've been carrying stress nobody knows about, smiling around people, while silently falling apart inside. And tonight, God wants to speak directly to your heart. I know you're tired of overthinking, tired of pretending everything is okay, tired of fighting battles nobody understands. Some nights, you lay awake staring at the ceiling, wondering if life will ever feel peaceful again. You pray, you wait, you try to stay strong, but deep inside, you're slowly losing hope. And sometimes you even wonder, God, are you still listening to me? But listen carefully. God says, I have seen every tear you cried in silence. I heard every prayer you whispered when nobody else was around, and I have not abandoned you. The pain you're feeling right now is not the end of your story. Those closed doors, those delays, those sleepless nights, they are not proof that God forgot you. Sometimes God isolates you before he elevates you. Sometimes he removes people from your life because they cannot go where he is taking you. And even when you cannot see it, God is still working behind the scenes. One day, very soon, you're going to look back at this painful season of your life and realize God was protecting you the entire time. The anxiety you feel right now will not last forever. The confusion will fade, the heaviness in your heart will heal, and the prayer you almost gave up on may be the very blessing God is preparing for you at this moment. So don't lose faith now, because God is still opening doors you cannot see yet. He is still making a way through the darkness, and he is still holding you together, even on the nights you feel broken. Powerful ending, 3:51-4:40. And maybe tonight, this is your reminder that you are not alone. God is with you in your pain, he is with you in your waiting, and he is with you in the battle you never talk about. So before you sleep tonight, stop worrying about tomorrow for a moment, and trust that God is already ahead of you, because one day soon, the pain will make sense, the waiting will make sense, and the story God is writing for your life will be more beautiful than you ever imagined. And when that day comes, remember this moment. Remember that God never left your side. If this message touched your heart, subscribe to Voice of Christ for more daily messages of hope, faith, and peace. And comment Amen if you still trust God's plan for your life.